The 2025 Husqvarna FC 450 is here, and it's not just another dirt bike. This is a machine built for domination on the track. Whether you're a pro racer or a weekend warrior, Husqvarna has refined this model to deliver peak performance, advanced technology, and rider-friendly design that sets it apart from the competition. Starting with the heart of the bike, the FC 450 features a compact and lightweight SOHC engine that's been strategically repositioned to improve mass centralization. It still pumps out industry-leading power, but now delivers it in a more controllable and linear fashion. That means you're getting explosive acceleration when you need it, but with smoother delivery that helps reduce rider fatigue during long motos. The 5-speed gearbox, supplied by Pank Racing Systems, is built for strength and precision, and it includes a sensor that enables the engine to adapt power delivery to each specific gear. The frame has been one of the biggest updates this year. Husqvarna redesigned it to enhance rider feedback and overall handling. The anti-squat behavior is improved, and the chassis feels more stable in corners while remaining agile through tight sections. Combined with the new polyamide-reinforced aluminum subframe, the bike strikes a great balance between rigidity and flex, offering both durability and comfort. Suspension-wise, the WP XACT 48mm front forks and rear shock continue to impress. The forks now feature revised damping characteristics and tool-free adjusters on the top caps, which means you can make quick changes at the track without grabbing a wrench. The rear shock is shorter and lighter but maintains its 300 mm of travel, ensuring that the bike soaks up bumps and jumps with confidence. As for the electronics, Husqvarna isn't holding back. The FC 450 includes a new map switch that not only toggles between different engine maps but also activates traction control, launch control, and the innovative quick shifter. The quick shifter allows for clutchless upshifting from second gear up, especially helpful when accelerating hard out of corners. Riders can now tailor power delivery to suit different track conditions and riding styles in seconds. From a design standpoint, the 2025 FC 450 looks clean, sharp, and unmistakably Husqvarna. The ergonomics are slim and aggressive, with new contact surfaces for better bike control. The bodywork is all about function, minimalistic, aerodynamic, and built to move with the rider. The new graphics are embedded into the plastics for better durability and a factory-fresh look that lasts. Braking and wheel components continue to be top-tier. The Brembo hydraulic clutch system and brake setup offer superb modulation and stopping power. Add in lightweight black Dirt Star rims and Dunlop MX-33 tires, and you've got a race-ready setup right out of the crate. What makes the FC 450 stand out in 2025 is the attention to rider adaptability. It's not just built for peak performance, it's built to help you ride better, longer, and with more control. From the adjustable engine mapping to the redesigned frame and suspension, every element feels purpose-built to enhance the riding experience. Overall, the 2025 Husqvarna FC 450 is more than just a fast dirt bike. It's a finely tuned racing machine with thoughtful engineering that caters to both professionals and serious amateurs. Whether you're chasing podiums or pushing your own limits, this bike delivers the tools to get you there.